Hey there and welcome to a new video. Dustin from the Gravity team here. Spam is a constant battle for website owners that eats up time, resources, and patience. Akismet is a familiar and trusted name in spam protection. And with the Gravity Forms Akismet add-on, you can integrate your forms with the Akismet API and block spam form entries on your site. Let's take a look at how it all works. First, head to your WordPress dashboard and install and activate the Akismet add-on. Then head to the Gravity Forms settings page and select Akismet. From here, you can connect with Akismet. If you don't have an Akismet account, be sure to check out the link below to create one for free. Now follow the on-screen instructions to sign into your Akismet account and locate your Akismet API key. Copy and paste your key into the API key field, then save your settings. By default, Akismet will now be enabled at a global level. However, if you'd like to disable Akismet on a form-by-form basis, you can go to that form's settings and disable the toggle within the Akismet settings. You may also want to double-check that your form fields are mapped to the appropriate Akismet fields. In general, it's good practice to verify the field mappings with all your forms, as these fields help with the accuracy of Akismet's spam prevention techniques. Finally, you can head to your forms entries page to review all of the entries that have been marked as spam. We hope this video helps with your spam form submissions. If it did, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more WordPress content. Thanks as always for watching. I'll see you in the next one.